Welcome to Buying Insider. In this video, we will present you with a short buying guide together with a list of the best smokers on the market up to date just to make your buying decision easier. So if you're planning to buy a smoker grill, the number of options available and their features can confuse you. There's some things you should be very careful about before choosing one. One of the hardest choices to make when buying a smoker is choosing the type of smoker, because different fuels produce such noticeably different results. You can choose between electric, pellet, gas, and charcoal smokers. Another thing to consider is picking the right design and shape based on what you want to do with your smoker. If you want to smoke primarily for your family and as a hobby, a bullet shape or a smaller Traeger model may be your best choice. For more serious work and more room for a variety of meats, a larger barrel or cabinet version is more fitting. One of the biggest improvements to new smokers is enhanced controls for adjusting temperature and smoking time. These features are most common in electric smokers, but these days, even gas and charcoal smokers have features that allow them to sense and adjust the temperature. Whether you are looking for the best of the best or the most affordable, you'll find it here on this list, so if you want to know which one's going to work best for you, stay tuned. If you want to see more details and the newest prices of the products mentioned in this list, check the links in the description below. Now, let's start with the first product. First on the list as best overall, we present you with the Dyna-Glo Wide Body Charcoal Smoker, a budget-friendly smoker that's often a go-to choice for beginners or anyone wanting a large capacity unit that doesn't take up much space on the ground. The build of the Dyna-Glo vertical offset smoker isn't super high quality, but for a very reasonable sum, you're going to get yourself a lightweight, high-temperature powder-coated steel unit with an adjustable chimney damper for easy temperature control. It comes with 6 steel shelves, each capable of supporting up to 25 pounds of food, creating a total cooking area of 1,890 square inches. It provides up to 150 pounds of food slowly smoking away inside the behemoth main chamber of this pro-grade smoker. Sheer volume aside, there's a lot to love about this Dyna-Glo smoker. In fact, the real beauty here is in the details. The ash management system allows you to remove and clear out ash without disrupting the charcoal or wood burning in the offset box, allowing for hours of uninterrupted cooking. Plus, the pair of adjustable dampers, one on the side, one on the chimney, allow for custom smoke control. There are also helpful sausage hooks and rib racks. Also, be sure to take a look at the thermometer on the front. It has an ideal smoke zone indicator so you can raise or lower the heat to maintain the ideal slow cooking temperature. No guesswork required. And for all of that, this smoker carries a pretty good price too. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for our next videos. As best smoker for beginners, we recommend the Weber Smoky Mountain. So the design of this grill is one of the best of any smokers available today. It's barely been altered in nearly 40 years, so that should tell you how good it is. It works fantastically well and is incredibly easy to use. The main material used in the Weber Smoky Mountain is porcelain enameled steel. This retains heat very well and allows the smoking to be as consistent as possible. The water pan is made from the same material and it feels very sturdy. The construction is solid and it has a beautiful finish, making it one of the best looking smokers you can buy. This user-friendly smoker doesn't have dials or controls to worry about and works much like a familiar charcoal grill, so it can be a great introduction to smoking for people who just want something basic that does the job of making tasty barbecue. Heat and smoke are controlled by adjusting the vents. Some of the other features that stand out for ease of use are the charcoal door and the silicone grommet. The charcoal door allows you to easily add in more charcoal and tend to the fire, and the water bowl without having to move the grills around. Whereas the silicone grommet allows you to insert a temperature probe, such as Weber's iGrill, into the smoker without having to drill holes or clamp the lid down on the probe wire. To sum it up, it's brilliantly designed and built, which allows it to maintain temperatures consistently and makes smoking very easy. Next on our list as the best electric smoker is the Masterbuilt Digital Electric. If you'd like your smoked foods to come with a slice of convenience, then an electric smoker is best for you. And the Masterbuilt 30-inch digital electric meat smoker is your go-to. This smoker digitally monitors timing and temperature and can be operated by remote control. Rest easy on the patio lounger or even sit inside watching the game while still having total control over your smoking meats. And thanks to a side-loading wood chip system, you can add more wood without interrupting the smoking process or throwing off the temperature in the cooking chamber, which can accommodate up to 12 whole chickens, 4 racks of ribs, or 24 burgers at once. While this smoker is a pretty bulky affair, weighing in at nearly 65 pounds, a set of wheels on the rear and a large handle make moving it around on level surfaces surprisingly easy. This is handy as you'll need to be near an electrical outlet to operate it. So to sum it up, you'll achieve competition-ready results in your own backyard without the hassle of charcoal or propane. Simply plug the smoker in, set the digital controls, and it does the work. We hope you like our selection of products so far, and if you want us to review other products in the category, feel free to comment below. So in the category Best Portable Smoker, we present you with the product Green Mountain Davy Crockett Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. Just because this smoker is designed to be portable, it doesn't mean it's less capable. It even includes Wi-Fi control so you don't need to hover near the smoker to monitor the cooking. This uses pellets as a heat source, so all you need to do is fill the hopper and let the grill do the rest. Aside from the aforementioned quirks with the on-grill digital controller interface, the Green Mountain Grill's Davy Crockett performs mostly like your average pellet smoker. This smoker weighs 68 pounds, so it's sturdy but still liftable. The legs fold to make it more compact for storage or to tuck it into the trunk or back of a pickup for a tailgate party. The grill's thought-out tailgating power capabilities really set it apart. Most other tailgater-style grills require additional connectors sold separately to work with generators and car batteries on the road. The Davy Crockett comes with a standard 110-volt AC plug option, an auto plug, as well as a 12-volt battery option that uses small red and black alligator clips just like jumper cables. So to sum it up, if you're looking for an entry-level portable wood pellet smoker that's affordable, then you might want to give the Green Mountain Davy Crockett a good hard look. As the best budget smoker in today's video, we chose the Char-Broil Bullet Charcoal Smoker. A smoker doesn't have to break the budget, and this 16-inch bullet smoker from Char-Broil is the perfect example. The bullet smoker has a strong and solid steel design with a molded access door. The stylish matte porcelain steel finish adds a different charm to the smoker. It gives a perfect smoke to your meat that will make it tender and appetizing to eat. The Char-Broil Bullet Charcoal Smoker is long-lasting and durable in an affordable price range. Due to the large cooking space, a large amount of food can be cooked at once, and the cooking temperature is easily maintained with a lid thermometer and the innovative 5 levels of innovative airflow control system that simplifies setting and maintaining cook temperatures. The Char-Broil Bullet Smoker is relatively easy to clean. The non-stick porcelain layer makes it easy to clean the grates. The ash collection pan at the bottom is easy to pull out at the end of a smoking session. The Char-Broil Bullet Smoker is a great introduction to backyard smoking at an affordable price. Just like the Weber, this bullet smoker is very easy to use and can be virtually forgotten once set up. So there you have it, the best 5 smokers on the market today. If you found the one on our list that meets your needs and budget, remember to check the link in the description box and catch it at a discounted price. Thank you all for watching, and see you next time here at the Buying Insider, your home of fair and